What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can send location on WhatsApp without adding the contact. So let's get started. So what you need to do, first you have to go to on your contact like this. You have to go to on dial, then you have to find the number, then you can pretty much copy from anywhere that the number you need to copy. I'm going to copy this number, that I'm going to send send my location to this number in WhatsApp without adding the contact. So what the first thing you need to do, you need to copy the number. Then what you need to do, you have to go to on WhatsApp. After going to on WhatsApp, you have to go to anyone's chat that you need to send the number. This is the main thing. After going to the chat, you have to click on chat, then you have to paste the number that you just copied. Please guys, make sure you use the full video and watch till the end so that you solve your problem. So after doing so, you have to send the number just like this. After sending the number, you have to click on the number just like this. Then you can see here is the option that chat with this number. After clicking so, you can now chat with this number without adding the contact. Then you have to click on this icon like here. After clicking on this, you have to click on location like here. After clicking on location, you have to give the permission of your location on your mobile phone. You have to click on OK. You have to turn on location just like this. Then you have to click on send your current location. If you want to send your current location, you have to click on this option. And if you want to send your live location like this, you have to click on this option. So we need to click on this option like here, that we need to click our location, send our location, then the location has been sent. So this is how you can send your location on WhatsApp without adding the contact. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.